Required not included. Electric drill, 8mm hex socket. Phillips bit. 1. Use a Phillips bit to tighten the 4 screws. 2. Slide the turf down from the top. 3. Install the 2 branches. 4. Use an 8mm socket bit to tighten the screws. 5. Install in numerical order. 6. Use an 8mm socket bit to tighten the screws. 7. Install the platform. 8. Use a Phillips bit to tighten the screws.